If you're thinking about buying DPD for your dropshipping business, there are some key things you need to know before you make the purchase. While DPD may seem like a solid choice for many, it's important to compare it to its competitors and consider whether it truly fits your needs. First off, the ease of use. One of the biggest selling points of DPD is its user-friendly interface. Unlike some competitors, which can feel clunky or overwhelming, DPD is designed to be intuitive, making it easy for beginners to jump right in. However, it's not always as advanced as others in terms of customization, so if you're looking for more control, you might find DPD a bit limiting. Next, let's talk about pricing. DPD is known for its competitive pricing, but it doesn't always offer the best value compared to other platforms. While some competitors offer tiered pricing that grows with your business, DPD's pricing can be a bit more rigid. If you're expecting a lot of features on the free or lower plans, you may be disappointed. The third thing to consider is the number of integrations. DPD integrates well with popular platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, but if you rely on other e-commerce platforms or marketing tools, you might find the options more limited than with competitors like Oberlo or Spocket. The fourth thing you should know is product sourcing. DPD has a decent selection of suppliers, but some of the competitors in the market provide more diverse or higher quality products. So if you're looking to expand your catalog, it might be worth exploring alternatives that offer better supplier networks or more niche products. The fifth point is customer support. While DPD does offer 24/7 support, users have reported mixed experiences with the response times and the depth of the support provided. Some competitors, on the other hand, have built reputations for quicker and more knowledgeable customer service, which might be crucial if you run into problems. Next thing, let's talk about shipping times. DPD doesn't have the fastest shipping options compared to other dropshipping platforms, and shipping times can vary greatly depending on your supplier. This could lead to delays and unhappy customers. Competitors like Spocket or Modelist tend to offer faster shipping from suppliers closer to your target market, which can be a huge advantage for customer satisfaction. The seventh thing is automation features. DPD does offer some automation tools, but if you want advanced features like automated order fulfillment, inventory management, and real-time tracking, you might need to use third-party apps or integrations. Some other platforms provide these tools out of the box. The eighth thing to keep in mind is that DPD doesn't have a built-in marketing solution. While it integrates with other marketing tools, it's not as seamless as some alternatives that offer in-app marketing campaigns or tools for building email lists, Facebook ads, or influencer outreach. The ninth thing is scalability. DPD can be a great option for small to medium-sized stores, but if you're planning to scale quickly, you may run into limitations. Competitors like Oberlo are better suited for large-scale operations, offering more advanced features as your store grows. The 10th point is their refund policy. DPD offers a relatively straightforward refund process, but like many dropshipping services, the specifics can be tricky to navigate, especially if you're not familiar with the platform. Always read the fine print to avoid surprises. The 11th thing to know is that DPD offers a free trial, so you can test out the platform before committing to a paid plan. However, the trial period might be shorter than other dropshipping services, leaving you with less time to fully evaluate it. Finally, while DPD is a solid option for many dropshipping businesses, it's important to remember that it might not be the perfect fit for everyone. If you're looking for a platform with more robust features, faster shipping, or better integration options, we recommend checking out our recommended solution that you can try for free. It may offer the right tools for your business as you look to scale.